Welcome back, cooks, to our instant loaded mashed potatoes video. We'll start off with a medium saucepan and we have 2 cups of water. We're going to slowly pour this in and then we'll turn our oven on. You'll want to have it at about a medium to high heat. Again, you just want to let this go for about 5 to 6 minutes. Depending on your oven or stovetop, you just want to bring this to a nice boil and then we'll bring it over to the table. Make sure on your table you have a microwave safe or at least a durable mixing bowl that can handle or take boiling water. We've brought over our boiling water from the stove. We'll set this on a safe plate on top of our table. We've got our package of instant loaded mashed potatoes. And they do make a reduced sodium type that we like, but this is what we had in the pantry today. We'll go ahead and pour these in. Remember, as soon as your boiling hot water comes off the stove, you want to do this right away. We've got a little bit of seasoning here, just some dash table seasoning and some pepper. This makes it a little bit more delicious than what just comes in the package. Now we'll take our hot boiling water. Please be very careful, don't splash. Use a fork or a whisk and you'll want to slowly stir this in. All you're doing is letting that boiling water absorb the flakes. Stir this slowly. As you'll see, it'll thicken up. Again, do not splash yourself. And it only takes about a minute or two. Make sure you add in that 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It is optional, but it will give it more flavor. And there it is. This was a quick instant dish. All done.
After a couple minutes of mixing, no dry clumps should exist. So once you've reached this consistency, you're good to serve your loaded instant mashed potatoes along with the rest of your meal. Leftovers can be stored in the fridge for 3 to 5 days in an airtight container. Enjoy! Thanks again for cooking with B&T.